स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच. स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच. दिस इमॉर्टल वर्ड डिडंट जस्ट इको इन द इयर्स ऑफ द ब्रिटिश एम्पायर. दे रोड इन द hearts of millions of the India. They were not just a slogan, they were a revolution. And the man behind them, a flame of courage, intellect and nationalism, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Good morning everyone, my name is Atharva Anil Zadge from Rashtramatha Jijavu Defense Academy. Today I feel proud to speak about the titans of the Indian freedom movement, a man who transferred the idea of resistance and patriotism, Lokmanya Tilak. Born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Tilak was not just a freedom fighter, he was a visionary, a scholar, a reformer, and above all the father of the Indian unrest. At a time when the majority of the country feared raising the voice against the British Empire, he challenged them with unmatched courage. He believed that the freedom is not something to be begged out. It had to be claimed throughout his newspaper like Kesari and the Maratha. He ignited the nationalism in every Indian home. His sharp word pierced the will of British propaganda and awakened the common man. But the Tilak was not just about the politics. He was deeply rooted in the Indian culture. He understood the power of the unity and bravery. He used Ganesh Utsav and the Shiv Jayanti as a platform to bring people together across caste, language, religion. What was once a religion or a religion event, make a tool mass of the political awareness. That was brilliance in the Tilak. His intellect was unmatched with mathematician, philosopher, lawyer and writer. His commentary on the Bhagavad Gita shows that his belief that the action was a truth path to the liberation, not devotion, and what exactly he practices throughout his life. His karma, yogi and his trust sense. When he is sent to the Mandala jail for the 6th year, he did not break. Instead, he wrote his greatest work, The Architects of the Veda, providing the change could not be visionary. Tilak legacy did not die with him. It lived with every freedom fighter, every revolutionary, and every Indian who dared to dream of an independent nation. To remember a Lokmanya Tilak is to remember a soul of self-respect, the cry for a justice, and the undying spirit of the Indian freedom. So let us not praise him today. Let us walk the path he paved. He believed that the Swarajya is not a dream. It is a right. That Swarajya is not a dream. It is a right, and every generation must ready to fight for it. At the end of my speech, I just want to say that आज़ादी के इस नशे को उतरने नहीं देंगे, कटा देंगे सिर पर तिरंगा को झुकने नहीं देंगे. आज़ादी के इस नशे को उतरने नहीं देंगे, कटा देंगे सिर पर तिरंगा को झुकने नहीं देंगे. जय हिंद, जय भारत. थैंक यू.